Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to dispute a transaction on Discover Card. First, open your Discover mobile app on your phone. Once the app opens, log in using your username and password. Make sure you are signed in to the correct account before moving forward. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard of your account. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Activity section. This section shows a list of all your recent transactions. Take your time to scroll through the list and review each charge carefully. Look for the transaction that you believe is incorrect, unauthorized, or needs to be disputed. When you find the transaction you want to dispute, tap on it. This will open the transaction details page. On this page, you can see important information such as the merchant name, date, and amount charged. Carefully review these details to make sure you selected the correct transaction. On the transaction details page, look for the option to dispute the charge. This option is usually labeled as dispute or report a problem. Tap on that option to begin the dispute process. You will be asked to enter details about why you are disputing the transaction. Choose the reason that best fits your situation and provide any additional information they request. Follow the on-screen instructions and submit the dispute once all required fields are completed. After submitting, Discover will review your request and may contact you if they need more information. If you prefer not to dispute through the app, you can also contact Discover customer support directly. You can call the Discover customer service and discuss the issue with them directly. Thanks for watching.